2013 Scion FRS. With a front-mounted flat boxer engine and a 6-speed transmission, the rear-wheel drive Scion FRS has motorsport running in its veins. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, power door locks, carpeted floor mats, airbags, remote keyless entry, brake assist, airbags driver and passenger side, smart stop technology, rear wheel drive, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set, leather shift knob. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.